Darwin is Australia's tropical frontier, full of adventure, vibrant culture, and hidden experiences that most travelers miss. In this video, we'll explore the best of Darwin, from its lush landscapes and wildlife to local secrets that make this city unique. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insider travel guides. Darwin, the capital of Australia's Northern Territory, is a city that often surprises visitors. Unlike the bustling metropolises of Sydney or Melbourne, Darwin offers a laid-back tropical vibe infused with adventure, history, and cultural richness. Sitting on the edge of the Timor Sea, it is a city where the sun scorches the earth, monsoons sweep through, and sunsets paint the sky with unbelievable colors. But Darwin is more than just heat and scenery. It's a melting pot of Indigenous culture, frontier history, and outdoor adventure. A place where you can explore crocodile-filled rivers one day and relax at a vibrant night market the next. Let's count down from 10 to 1 to reveal the secrets that make Darwin unforgettable. Point 10. Nature shapes the city. Darwin's tropical climate defines everything with wet summers and dry winters. It is a city of extremes. The wet season brings dramatic thunderstorms and monsoonal rains, reshaping rivers and waterways, while the dry season creates sunny days perfect for exploring. The city itself is framed by lush mangrove-lined creeks, sandy beaches, and dense bushland, giving it a feeling of openness despite its small size. Wildlife is everywhere. Flying foxes sweep across the sky at dusk, tropical birds chatter in the trees, and wallabies occasionally appear in suburban parks. Nature isn't something you escape in Darwin, it is something you live within. Point 9. Mindil Beach Sunset Markets, culture and community. No visit to Darwin is complete without experiencing the Mindil Beach Sunset Markets, a local institution since the early 1980s. Every dry season Thursday and Sunday evening, the beach transforms into a kaleidoscope of stalls offering global street food, handmade crafts, and live performances. The air is filled with tantalizing aromas: Thai curries, freshly baked empanadas, exotic spices, and the sky is alive with color as the sun sets over the Timor Sea. Visitors from across the world mingle with locals, sampling tropical cocktails and listening to buskers, creating a vibrant, festive atmosphere that perfectly captures Darwin's multicultural spirit. Point 8. Wildlife adventures, crocodiles and beyond. Darwin is a gateway to the top-end's wildlife, including some of Australia's most famous inhabitants, saltwater crocodiles. Guided tours along the Adelaide and Mary rivers give visitors the chance to safely witness these apex predators in action. Boats glide silently through mangrove-lined waterways, bringing travelers close to crocodiles, water monitors, and abundant bird life. Beyond crocodiles, the region is home to diverse reptiles, rare freshwater turtles, and exotic fish species. Wildlife experiences aren't just thrilling. They provide insight into the delicate ecosystems that thrive in this unique tropical environment. Point 7. National parks, Litchfield and Kakadu. Darwin is perfectly positioned for trips to some of Australia's most iconic national parks. Litchfield National Park, about 1.5 hours away, is famous for its natural swimming holes, waterfalls, and magnetic termite mounds. Visitors can hike short trails to cascading waterfalls like Florence Falls or Bewley Rock Hole, perfect for cooling off after a hot day. Further afield, Kakadu National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, offers breathtaking landscapes, sacred Aboriginal rock art sites, and wetlands teeming with wildlife. Whether you're hiking escarpments, spotting crocodiles, or exploring cultural heritage, these parks highlight Darwin's unique position as a city where adventure is never far away. Point 6. Darwin's history, frontier spirit. The city's history is as vibrant as its environment. Home to the Larrakia people for thousands of years, Darwin's Indigenous culture is central to its identity. European settlement in the 1800s brought the frontier spirit, shaping the city's resilience in the face of cyclones, wartime bombings, and periods of isolation. Today, this history is celebrated and preserved in the Museum and Art Gallery of the Northern Territory, where visitors can explore Aboriginal artifacts, colonial history, and natural science exhibits. The Darwin Military Museum offers a glimpse into the city's strategic importance during World War II, particularly the bombing of Darwin, Australia's northernmost conflict zone. Understanding the past is essential to appreciating the city's modern vibrancy. Point 5. Crocosaurus Cove thrills in the city for adrenaline seekers. Crocosaurus Cove is a must-visit located in the heart of Darwin. It offers close encounters with massive saltwater crocodiles. Visitors can experience the cage of death, lowering themselves into a water tank with crocodiles circling below, or simply watch feeding sessions and learn about these incredible predators. Crocosaurus Cove is more than a tourist attraction. It's an educational experience, showing how humans and wildlife coexist in Australia's tropical north, while providing thrills that are unmatched anywhere else in the city. Point 4. Darwin Waterfront Tropical Leisure. The Darwin Waterfront Precinct is the city's hub for leisure, dining, and culture. The man-made wave lagoon provides a safe, sandy area for families to swim, while the boardwalk is lined with cafes, restaurants, and bars offering views over the harbor. This precinct hosts live music, festivals, and cultural events year-round. Whether it's a morning jog along the promenade, an afternoon kayaking on the river, or a sunset dinner overlooking the water, the waterfront captures the tropical lifestyle Darwin is famous for. Relaxed, vibrant, and always connected to the sea. Point 3. Aboriginal culture, living heritage. Darwin is not only a city of adventure, but also a place where visitors can engage with Larrakia culture and other Indigenous traditions. Cultural tours, storytelling sessions, and galleries showcase Aboriginal art, dance, and history. Visitors can learn about Dreamtime stories, the significance of sacred sites, and contemporary Indigenous practices. Participating in these experiences creates a deeper understanding of the land, its people, and the connection between culture and environment that shapes life in the top end. Point 2. Adventure sports, tropical thrills. Darwin's geography allows for endless adventure opportunities. Fishing is legendary, with barramundi and mud crabs drawing anglers from across Australia. Kayaking through mangrove forests or ziplining in nearby adventure parks gives travelers unique perspectives of the top end. Even scenic helicopter flights provide breathtaking aerial views of the coastline, wetlands, and city layout. For those who thrive on activity, Darwin is a playground where every day offers a new challenge and every excursion brings a story. Point 1. Darwin's charm, the tropical city of surprises. Darwin's greatest secret is its ability to balance thrill and tranquility. It is a city where you can face crocodiles in the morning, swim in natural pools by afternoon, and enjoy a tropical sunset with cocktails at night. Its relaxed pace, combined with cultural richness, tropical beauty, and adventurous spirit, makes it feel intimate yet alive. Darwin doesn't overwhelm. It invites curiosity, rewards exploration, and leaves visitors with experiences that are memorable long after they leave. If this video helped you discover a new side of Darwin, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more authentic travel stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.